Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Linden to 7 miles east of Hoopo, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Walton, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Sublette, Nelson, and Harmon, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 70. This includes Lee County Fairgrounds and Sauk Valley College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.